So today's topic is network fundamentals. I hope all of us has listened the word network. A network is nothing but the collection of so many computers. In network architecture, we will learn two type of network architecture, that is peer-to-peer architecture and a client-server architecture. In peer-to-peer architecture, the computers are connected to each other and every computer have same and equal status, means that every computer have the equal right, whereas in client server architecture different computers are connected to a single server. A server is a computer which provide services to the client. In client server architecture, server and client are having distinct status, means that every server and client are not having the equal right of access. After that, we will learn different type of computer network. Some of them are LAN, WAN and MAN. LAN and WAN are stand for local area network and wide area network. As you can see, in LAN, it is a network of very precise area, whereas wide area network is a very wide network. LAN is a local area network in which computers and devices are connected to each other in small geographical area such as home, school, computer laboratory, office building or closely positioned group of building, whereas WAN, that is wide area network, is the connection of so many WAN and MAN, in which small network as well as big network are connected to each other worldwide without the limitation of any geographical area. The last is metropolitan area network, which is a collection of computer in a geographical area of size of metropolitan area. There are so many advantages of network. As we have understood, in a network, computers and devices are connected to each other so that they will be able to share the resources, share the data and share the network and internet, as well as it also helps in sharing the applications. Before starting the another topic, let us discuss something about internet. Yes, everybody are well known with the word internet. Internet is one of the biggest network which uses some protocol services for providing services to the world. Internet, it is a network of network that consists of millions of private public, academic, business and government network. There are lot many advantages of internet, such as sending and receiving the mail and research work, uploading and downloading the files in the internet and from the internet. It is also used for discussion group such as Twitter, Facebook and so many grouping sites. So many people use internet for playing games as well as it is also useful for educational and self-improvement. I hope all of you have understood the meaning or and advantages of internet. After learning the internet, have you ever imagined from where does the internet come from and how does we get the internet access? There are so many different ways of getting the internet, but the basic feature is internet is provided by the internet service provider such as BSNL, Vodafone, Idea, Airtel, Jio and so many mobile services. Generally, this internet may be of wired or unwired. If we will talk about BSNL, that is a wired network, that is a dial-up internet access. It provides us an internet and transfer it to the modem. Internet service provider is an organization which provides you with access to the internet via a dial-up or direct or wireless connection. And a modem. As you can see in the diagram, ISP provide services to the modem and modem transfers the internet. Modem is dedicated for transferring the analog signal into the digital signal and also convert a digital signal into the analog signal. So, this process of converting the data is called modulation and demodulation. After the data is being received by modem, it is transferred to the switch, where switch is responsible for distributing the internet connection to different devices connected in the network. There are so many different type of internet connection. As we have discussed, a dial-up internet connection, which is a wired network. In the same way, DSL and cable internet access are also a wired network. Dial-up internet connection are provided by BSNL and some service provider which provides the landline services, whereas the cable internet access is being provided by the cable operator. Some of the wireless network such as Wi-Fi, WiMAX and 3G, 4G, 5G, such a type of internet are the wireless network which converts the internet signal into the wireless signal and transfers it in the form of radiation. A World Wide Web is one of the biggest services for which we use internet browser to access the internet. It is a system of interlinked hypertext documents which access internet. A web page consists of some text, images, video, multimedia file and being shared with the help of internet web browser, and these informations are stored in web server from which we can access as well as upload the files. After learning the meaning and the services of internet, we will learn how the data transfers in the internet. So, the data is not directly downloaded or uploaded in the web server. It is broken down into small pieces which are called as packets. Each piece is of equal size which travels through the network, not necessarily from the same route. Each packet consists of header which contains the address of the destination. When all the packets are received by the receiver, the packets are arranged in the same way. If some of the packet is missing, then a request is sent again until the data has been received successfully. So I hope all of you have understood the meaning of network. So this is the time to assess yourself. These are some questions. Try to solve those questions. And for further reference, you can also download a book of Standard 10. In a search engine, Google, just type 402 class 10 book NCERT, and the first option you will get class 10 information technology PDF. Click on this option and soon you will ask for whether you want to download the book or not. In this way you can download a book of NCERT Standard 10 Information Technology. This was the end of the session. I hope all of you are doing good. Stay home, save life. Thank you and take care.